Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. I'm very excited to share with you this new project which is called as TangoFlux. This is simply a text to audio generation model which is not only small but also tries to do something different, which I'm going to explain very shortly. Not only that, I will also show you how you can get it installed locally, and then we will play around with it on our local system. We will generate audio from text. This model, which is a text to audio generative model with only 515 million parameters, is capable of generating up to 30 seconds of audio in 44.1 kilohertz frequency in just 3.7 seconds on a single GPU. One of the unique things about this model is that it is trying to address one issue. If you have ever tuned or fine tuned specifically an audio AI model, for the text models, we have learned over the time that if we fine tune a text model or a large language model on preference pair or preference optimization or direct preference optimization DPO, then the quality of the responses of the model goes really up. If you don't know what exactly is direct preference optimization or DPO, please search my channel. I have done heaps of videos on it, not only hands on but also at the conceptual level. So what they have done in this TangoFlux, they have proposed something called as CLAP or CRPO, which is primarily CLAP ranked preference optimization, or in simple words, it's a new framework that iteratively generates and optimizes preference data to enhance text to audio alignment. And the more aligned the output of the model is to the human preferred answer, of course, the quality will go up. And they have also shared some of the benchmarking information where these researchers from Declare Labs, Singapore University of Technology and Design, and of course Singapore NVIDIA demonstrated that TangoFlux has achieved state of the art performance across both objective and subjective benchmarks. To top it off, they have open sourced all the code and model to support further research, which is really quite big of them. Anyway, I will drop the link to it in video's description and you can read further along. So let's get it installed and then play around with it. Let me also give a huge shout out to our good friends at Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on heaps of GPUs. This is my Ubuntu system and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. And let's create our Conda environment as usual. Shouldn't take too long. And now let's git clone the repo of TangoFlux and I will drop the link to it in video's description. And now let's install all the requirements from the root of the repo. This is going to take few minutes. And all the prerequisites are done. Let's launch the Gradio demo of this by simply running this python app.py from the root of the repo. And the first time when we run it, it downloads the required models. As you can see, the size is around 3.13 gig with all the required files. So let's wait for it to download the model and all the required files. Almost there. And there you go. Now we can access our tool and model in at our local host at port 7860. So let me go to my local host and access it. There you go. So TangoFlux is running. All we need to do is to just give it any prompt here. Like I'll just say maybe what is happiness, and then click on submit. It is going to generate the audio on the right hand side. Let's wait for it. I will also let it run so that you know how quick that is. Let me play that audio. You see that within split second it was able to generate it. Okay, I am playing it, but I think it is not playing. Let me. Maybe one reason is because I am accessing it remotely. So maybe what I can do, I can download this audio and then I will move it to my local system and then play. I will play it over there. Okay, so I have moved it to my local system. Let me take you there and see what sort of happiness audio it has generated. So this is the audio. Let me play it. So this was the happiness. The laughter of the people is the happiness. Okay, let's try out few more. Okay, so in this one, I'm asking it to generate the sound of a girl blushing. Let's see. Let's wait for it. And meanwhile, it has done it because the model is loaded. Let's also quickly check out the VRAM consumption. So it is consuming 10 gig of VRAM, which is quite a lot for such a small model, isn't it? Anyway, so let me again. I don't think so. It is going to play anything here, so I'm going to download it and I'll play it in my local browser. Okay, let me play this one. Okay, quite a weird one. Okay, let's try out another one. Okay, in the next one, this audio is thunderstorm and intense rain falling in forest. I already have generated and copied it to my local system. So let me take you there and play it out. Really good, isn't it? I think this is the best one, I believe. Really, really good stuff. Okay, the next one is a bustling street market in Pune, which is a city in Maharashtra province of India, with vendors calling out Indian Bollywood music playing in the background. I already have run it and I transferred it to my local system, so let me play it out there for you. So you see, there is also quite a lot of noise because we mentioned the noise word in that prompt. That is why. Well, remember, this you can use to generate a preference data set. Plus, there are some Indian accents in the background too. Not bad, I would say. Okay, let's try out another one. Okay, next up, I'm asking it to generate an audio of a massive wave crashing against the rocky shores of Big Sur, California, with seagulls crying overhead. Big Sur is a long, very scenic stretch of shoreline or coastline in central California. Okay, so I already have generated it. Let me take you to my browser and then I will play it out for you. Very nice. I think this one was really, really good. Seagulls and big wave. Okay, next up, I am going to say a steam locomotive chugging up a steep mountain pass with a loud whistle blowing and wheels scratching. So let me move it. I already have done it. So let me play it for you. Yeah, sorry if it broke your eardrums, but I think this was quite good, I would say. Okay, next up, I'm asking it to do a flute playing. I'm not sure if it can do the music, but no harm in trying. So let me take it to my browser and play it. Yeah, that's not a flute. No, that's not a flute. Okay, let's go back and try something else. So it cannot generate really the music from prompt. Okay, so next up, I'm asking it at a serene Japanese garden at dawn with gentle wind chimes, soft bird songs, and a distant waterfall. So let me take you back to my browser and then let me play it for you. Yeah, that was very, very nice. And finally, I am asking it to do a futuristic spaceship landing on a distant planet with humming engines, hissing hydraulics, and an airy, otherworldly atmosphere. I wanted to test it out because I'm sure that it hasn't been trained on these sort of stuff. So let's see what it generates this time. Let me take you to my browser and play it for you. Okay, yeah. Sorry for fracturing your eardrums again, but I think that was quite unique, isn't it? Maybe a game theme or anything or something like that. But anyway, I think pretty interesting, not bad at all. This model really good stuff. We can generate a lot of audio, especially I think if you're, as I said, if we are looking to generate an audio data set, maybe this could be a really, really good model. Install it locally, then on this 10 GB of VRAM, you can go crazy and generate your audio data set. Or if you want to generate an background audio for any game or any other video or anything you have created, I think this could be a good option. That's it. Let me know what you think about this model. I will drop the link to it in video's description. I have done heaps of other audio models too if you're interested. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.